Explainer videos combine storytelling and design to communicate your ideas. You can explain your brand, app, website, or even the meaning of life. In a nutshell, here is the process to create an explainer video. Define your goals. It could be to engage, promote something, or educate your audience. Create a script. Structure your message and define the tone. Knowing your audience will help you choose the right tone based on the purpose of the video. And if your video will have a voice narration, this is a good time to do it. Create a mood board. Picture what your video should look like. Explore references. Define colors, typography, music, sound effects. Brainstorming. A great tool to organize your thoughts and conceptualize the message. Storyboard and Styleframes. A sequence of compositions representing the narrative. While the storyboard focuses on the concept, style frames represent the final designs to use on the video. Animation, where all the pieces come together and ideas get turned into motion. Are you ready to create your next video? Let's talk!